Now, in this presentation today, I'd like to talk about the struggles that men face, the silent struggles men face. So here we are talking about the sexless marriage. Let's go. Now, 10 statements that highlight the man's relational struggles. 10 statements that he would like you as his wife to understand if he feels sex starved. 10 statements that reflect how he feels about a sexless marriage. And these statements highlight the emotional and relational struggles, the silent struggles that he's dealing with. Number one, some men say, there's a reason I didn't marry my mother or sister. I wanted a partner, not just family. And it's worth thinking about that. There's a reason why he did not marry his mother or his sister. Because he has a need that they can't fill. And that's why he married you. And so, ladies, your husband may be struggling or suffering or hurting. Your husband may feel rejected and dejected in the bedroom. Don't allow another person to offer him what you refuse to give him. No. Don't push him into the arms of another woman. You can save yourself from infidelity by attending to his needs. I'm talking to the woman now. In the previous video I talked to the man, but now I'm talking to you ladies. It's important that you understand the struggles of a man. Number two, another thing that the man sometimes complain about and says, it's hard to show up at the same restaurant every day only to find it closed. Think about that for a moment. He has committed his life to eating at one restaurant for the rest of his life. But every day he shows up, it's closed. Then what message is he getting? That he must go to another restaurant elsewhere. And that's a trigger for infidelity. Number three, I feel like a ghost in my own marriage, seen but never truly touched. If you are having this relationship and this man is experiencing a sex-starved relationship, then it's time to take note. Number four, she says she loves me, but it feels like love without passion is just friendship. In other words, sometimes it may be hard for him to truly understand what you're saying. He can't interpret it. He can't define it. You say you love me, but this feels like only friendship. Number five, he says, I crave intimacy, not just for the physical part, but to feel close and connected to my partner. For the man, it's not just about being physical, you know. A man too wants to feel connected to his partner. And let me share this with you. If the man is married and does not feel connected to his partner, then it is worse than being single. For where else is he supposed to go for emotional connection? Number six, he says, we share a bed, but it feels like we are miles apart. That's another complaint of men. Number seven, I've stopped bringing it up because the rejection hurts more than the silence. Think about that for a moment. To feel rejected each time he brings up this subject, it hurts more deeply than being silent. Number 8, the man is exclaiming, he's crying inside, he's suffering, he's hurting. And so he's saying, she doesn't seem to realize that intimacy isn't just a want, it's a need for me. Ladies, be informed and be instructed accordingly. Number 9, the man is complaining now. It's like being locked out of my own home, where I'm supposed to feel safe and loved. Because the golden gates are closed. Every time he shows up, there's another excuse. Then he feels being locked out of his own home, when that's a place where he should feel safe and loved. Number 10, what the man is saying, I feel like I'm losing a part of myself every time I pretend it doesn't matter. This is just to reflect on the silent struggles of men who are in a sexless marriage. Men who face an intimacy-starved relationship. So ladies, it's time to understand that in a sexless marriage, the man is struggling, and if you do not give attention to his cry, then that could be laying the foundation for infidelity and subsequently, possibly, a divorce. So give attention to the needs of the man as well, and do what you can to fix the relationship so you can let him feel like he's welcome in a home where he should always feel loved and wanted.